How to fix a bad credit score ASAP. In today's video, we're revealing the top ways on how to fix a bad credit score ASAP. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Welcome back to Money Mindset, the ultimate hub for finance content. If you're looking to become better at managing money and earning, then you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss another finance update. Without further ado, let's jump into our list of the top ways on how to fix a bad credit score ASAP. Number 1. Check your free credit score. First, check your credit score for free to view the factors that are most affecting it. Your credit score is most impacted by the following elements. Your payment history 35%, including whether you always pay bills on time or have had late or missed payments in the past. How much total credit you have available and how much of it you're actively using, known as your credit utilization rate 30%. How long you've been using credit 15%. The mix of credit types you've had and are currently using 10%. The number of recent credit accounts you've opened and applications you've made, which are known as hard inquiries, 10%. It's also important to check for any errors on your credit report, including inaccurate personal information or accounts fraudulently opened in your name. Especially if it's negatively affecting your score, dispute this information with the credit bureaus. Submitting a dispute does not affect your credit itself, but if any content in your report changes, your score could change too. Number 2. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is the most important factor of your credit score, accounting for 35% of your FICO score. One of the best ways to ensure you're never late to set up autopay for recurring bills such as student loans and car payments. Your bill will come directly from your bank account on the day it's due, meaning you don't have to remember to log into a payment portal or send a check. Ensure you have enough money in your checking account to cover your payments though, or you could be subject to fees. If many of your bills are due on the same day of the month, making it more difficult to pay them on time, you may be able to change the payment due dates with your creditors. Keep in mind, though, that it may take a few billing cycles for the change to go into effect. So continue paying as required until they've confirmed the update. It's also important to be upfront with creditors about your ability to pay. Federal student loans, for instance, come with alternative payment plans that can lower the amount you owe each month. But you may not know about them if you're not willing to contact your student loan servicer about your options. Credit card issuers also may be able to reduce your payment or interest rate for a period of time if you're experiencing financial hardship. If you're concerned you're going to miss a payment, contact your creditor before it happens to explore what's possible. Number 3. Pay down debt. Amounts owed make up 30% of your FICO score, the next largest share after payment history. The amount of your credit limit you're currently using is expressed as your credit utilization rate, and experts recommend using no more than 30% of your credit limit at any point. Ideally, you'll pay off your credit card bill in full at the end of every month. But if you can't and you're currently carrying a balance, make a plan to pause using your cards and pay down credit card debt. You may want to send extra money to the highest interest card first, known as the debt avalanche method, which will save the most money on interest. Or you can pay off small balances using the debt snowball method, which may motivate you more. A balance transfer credit card may be a better option if you need more time to get your balances down. If your credit score qualifies you for one, a balance transfer card provides an interest-free period that lets you pay off your balances without accruing as many charges over time. To make the most of the card, though, come up with a plan that gets you debt-free within the interest-free time frame. Otherwise, you'll be subject to interest charges at the end of that period, potentially negating some of your savings. Number 4. Avoid new hard inquiries. If you're focused on increasing your score, you may want to delay applying for new credit in the meantime. A hard inquiry happens when a lender checks your credit to evaluate you for a financial product. It will appear on your credit report and may affect your credit score. That's because lenders could consider you a greater credit risk if you're attempting to borrow money from many different sources. Applications for new credit account for 10% of your FICO score. Soft inquiries don't affect your credit, They occur when you check your own credit score or when a lender or credit card issuer checks your credit to pre-approve you for a product. It's also likely you won't see a major effect on your score if you're shopping for a single auto loan or mortgage and apply with multiple lenders in a brief time period. Scoring models distinguish this process from, say, opening lots of credit cards at one time, and typically won't penalize your score the same way. Number 5. Boost your credit. One way to strengthen credit using your existing financial history is through Experian Boost. When you sign up for free, Experian searches your bank account data for phone, utility, and popular streaming service payments, and you can choose which accounts to add to your credit file. Once the accounts are added, a new credit score is instantly generated. Those who have little or poor credit could see an increase to their FICO score thanks to the addition of new positive payment history. And that wraps up our top ways on how to fix a bad credit score ASAP. We hope you found these tips helpful. Which of these tips was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next finance adventure here on Money Mindset.